Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caribou, Sydney. This is the actual Macan with the actual front cover. This is the brand new front cover. This is a brand new, that's a brand new part now. We just finished cleaning all that and torquing it up. Now we're going to put the new gasket on the other side. This side here, brand new gasket, and then we're going to put it on this way. Alright, water pump goes here, oil cooler goes here, and the little valve goes down here, and the new that's a brand new if you look carefully, the old seal does not sit flush with this. It has to sit down 1.5 mil down. See the gap, there's a gap there. See, there's a gap there. So this is the original seal. So if you're fitting a new seal, don't put it flush, it's going to leak. It has to be 1 to 1.5 mil down. Alright, so I usually take these off, fit the front cover, and then fit the brand new seal later, last. Alright, so this is it. So fully stripped down. Try to clean as much as we can with the AdBlue, because the AdBlue was leaking from the injector and coming straight down to here. All of this has to be removed out, and all of that has to be removed and clean. So after this we're going to clean all that, and then we're going to fit the new gaskets. These are the new gaskets. That's a part number for the gasket, that big one there. That's the part number for the coolant flange. Make sure you get the O-ring, the green one. Part number's here. Right. And that's the actual regulating flange, they call it. And the part number is here somewhere. I'm going to do another video of all these part numbers anyway, so don't stress out. Make sure you get a new one of these. So once I sort all this out, I'm going to put all the part numbers on the link below. Much easier to see. Alright? This engine's the same as actually as the KN V6 as well. Share the same engine. And some of the Audis and Volkswagen. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.